Welcome to Belly Breath and to this Winter Solstice meditation, a sacred time to honor stillness, rest, and renewal. The solstice marks the longest night and the quiet turning point toward the returning light. It invites you to pause, to breathe, and to find peace in the gentle balance between darkness and dawn. Find a comfortable position, lying down or seated. Let your palms rest softly on your lap or by your sides, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Feel the air move through you, steady, rhythmic, calm. With each breath, allow your body to soften. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, your belly expand with ease. Imagine the ground beneath you, solid, quiet, supportive. You are safe here. You are held by the earth. Now, begin to picture yourself standing in a peaceful winter forest. Snow blankets the ground in shimmering white, and the air is crisp and pure. Tall evergreens rise around you, their branches heavy with snow, their presence ancient and wise. The world is still, so still that you can hear your breath mingle with the soft whisper of the wind. Above you, the sky deepens to a velvety midnight blue. Tiny snowflakes drift through the air, each one catching the moonlight like a falling star. You pull a warm cloak around your shoulders, its weight grounding, its fabric comforting. You feel warmth expanding in your chest, a quiet, glowing flame of inner light. In the distance, a golden glow flickers gently. It calls to you. You walk toward it, snow crunching beneath your feet, the light growing brighter with every step. Soon you arrive at a small clearing. In its center stands an ancient oak tree, bare, strong, timeless. You place your hand on its cool bark and feel the pulse of life moving beneath the surface. This tree has witnessed countless winters, cycles of darkness and light, stillness and rebirth. It reminds you that rest is sacred and renewal always follows the night. As you breathe deeply, imagine a stream of golden light descending from above, flowing through the tree's branches and gently pouring into you. Feel it travel through your crown, down your spine, and into the roots of the earth below. This is the light of renewal, the promise of new beginnings. Breathe it in. Let it fill every part of you. Now, silently set an intention for the season ahead. What do you wish to nurture in the coming light? What seed will you plant in this sacred darkness? Hold that intention in your heart, glowing, alive, radiant. As you stand in the moonlit clearing, a wave of peace washes over you. You are in harmony with the rhythm of the earth, darkness and dawn, stillness and awakening. Take one last deep, grounding breath. Feel gratitude for this moment, for the stillness, for the return of light within and around you. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. You carry with you the light of renewal, a quiet strength that will guide you into the new season. Thank you for joining me in this winter solstice meditation. May this season bring you warmth, peace, and gentle transformation.